Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for better ROI. Full guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Ads conversion tracking, first, log in to your Google Ads account. In the left-hand menu, click on Tools and Settings. Under the Measurement section, select Conversions. Choose the type of conversion you want to track. For website conversions, select Website. Next, enter the domain of your website and click Scan. Google will automatically detect your site setup. Now, select the conversion event you want to track, such as purchases or signups. Fill in the details for the conversion. Set the conversion value to measure the impact of the conversion accurately. Decide how to count conversions, either every or one, based on your business needs. Choose a conversion window, typically from 1 to 30 days. Select the relevant attribution model that best aligns with your marketing strategy. After filling in the necessary information, click Create and Continue. Google will then provide you with a tracking code, also known as the global site tag. Copy this code and place it on every page of your website within the head section. You may also need to add an event snippet to the specific page where the conversion occurs. Follow the instructions provided for the event snippet if you are tracking a specific action. Once you have implemented the tracking codes on your website, return to Google Ads. Click Done to save your conversion settings. To test if the conversion tracking is working properly, navigate to your website and perform the conversion action. Use the Tag Assistant extension or Google's Tag Manager to troubleshoot any issues. Allow some time for the data to populate in your Google Ads account. Monitor the conversion data regularly to analyze the return on investment. Adjust your campaigns as necessary based on this data to optimize performance. By following these steps, you can successfully set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. This will enhance your ability to measure campaign success and improve your return on investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.